Oh yeah, guys, welcome to my channel. This is the boy Dennis here. If you're not my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. In this video, in this channel, we talk about making money online. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Today I'm coming with a brand new website called offervote.com. This is the website that we're going to use to start making money online as soon as possible. This is software actually. So this is a CPA, which is going to allow us to start making money as soon as possible. So it doesn't matter whenever you are in Africa, you are in Europe, all over the world. This software, it allows you to start making money online as soon as possible. So once you are here, what you have to do is go and register. It's just easy here. Go and put your details, everything, and you're good to go. So once you are here, what you have to do is you just come here and type gift card. Once you type a gift card, this how you're going to get a link. As you can see here, some they will pay you $38 per CPA. What you have to do is you just click here and take a link and share in your social media or anywhere else. As you can see here, this is going to pay you $38 per sign up, $38 if you bring someone and join their website, you know. So what you have to do, you just click here. Let me say maybe you want to promote this one. You just come here. Just come here. As you can see here, what you have to do is you come here where say run offer. You put your details, everything there, and you'll be given a link. And once they give you that link, that's the link that you're going to use to start to share with your friends or your family or anywhere using social media. Then once they decide to get in, then you'll be able to get $38. As you can see, it's a CPA. So just click offer. You're gonna put your login details there. Then yeah, you're good to go. Simple as that. So you can to start making money, you can just sign up as many as you can, because there's a lot of them that they're paying. Just go with all of them, and they start making money as soon as possible. So that is it, guys. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, please ask down below. I'll be able to answer all the questions that you guys are gonna ask. Thank you so much. This is you for today. I don't have much, but I'm sure this one is going to help you guys to start making money as soon as possible. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.